Hi everybody, my name is Eric Brockmeyer. I'm the CEO and the technical advisor for the Honest Water Filter Company. And first and foremost, I want to thank all of you for being part of this video. In this video, we're going to be explaining the proper unpackaging and installation of our product. There are various ways to do it, but one of the most important things we want you to know is use a razor blade to open the box. Do not punch down and hit it. We want you to open it properly. Now I've of course pre-done that. And when you do, what you're gonna do is you're gonna open the box, and inside the box, you're gonna find more boxes. Well, what we want you to do is take the paper out and just throw it away. Right below that paper, you will find 3/4 fittings. You see, with our product, you can either do 1 inch or 3/4. If you're going to do 3/4, then go ahead and open the package and I'll show you how to utilize these pieces. The next step is to pull out the shorter box. This box. This box is the manifold. What we'd like you to do before you pull out any other boxes is go ahead and open this box to make sure that everything inside of it is properly installed already from the factory. Now there are some pretty cool things that go on. It comes pre-packaged, all ready to go. You're gonna find several things. First and foremost, you're gonna find the owner's manual. If you like, please feel free to read it. You can leave this with the consumer, but we recommend you take it with you. This is really for your edification. A lot of people like to leave it. That's entirely up to you. Please feel free to do so. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna pull out the excess paper in the box. Go ahead and toss that. The next thing I'd like you to do when you're pulling things out of the box, make sure you have your package of O-rings. You're going to have some extra lube in there. What's really important about this lube is we want you to use it and not faucet grease. This lube does not harden. It's a special, very expensive lube that we provide for you to use on fittings when needed. Most of the time the products come pre-greased, but if you want to feel good about greasing stuff up, well, go ahead and use this lube. Next thing you're going to find is extra clips. We have back clips and U-clips. U-clips we'll go over here in a minute. You're going to pull out this drain tube. This drain tube can be used for backwashing, not really backwashing, but just letting out some of the excess dust that you may experience in our product, but there won't be much. Some people use it, some people don't. That's entirely up to you. Another way to do it is turn on one cold faucet, and when you go to start the system, which we'll go over later, you can just leave it open, turn the water on, let it run for a couple of minutes, and it should be fine. Or you can use this tube, which we'll go over later. Then you're gonna find this weird looking fitting. It looks like a double T. This double T is actually called a serial port. The reason it's called a serial port, as you know, is that we use two different types of methodologies. One in series, where we have to take all the water through the pre-filter, and then parallel, which is what this system does. It creates it to go from series into parallel, and we'll make that explanation a little bit later, but this is in the box. It'll be part of your installation. If you like, go ahead and rip it open and set it on the table for use that's about to come up. Then you're going to pull out a singular manifold and head, just like this. We want you to make sure all 4 clips are installed and both back clips are actually installed. That being so, you're going to go out and pull out the double manifold, and you're going to do the same thing on inspection. Make sure all the clips are in the needed spots, and that all the back clips are installed. This is a filtered port. We'll talk about that in a little bit, and make sure your gauge is installed and that there is a cover on it. This concludes the inspection of your manifold.